ground.
I guess you feel my pain. I'll lift the curse from you.
Ah!
Hey, we're still ghosts. Yeah. Let her go off when my beard grows mad. But we want to be normal now.
It's sprinkling out. Rainy day. Wow.
Wow.
Look at those, camera. This is going to be some huge pumpkins to carve this Halloween.
I don't know which one I want to carve.
Well, we'll see how they come out, huh? I think we're going to get probably, what?
It feels like mosquitoes are attacking me.
Looks like about 6 of them we might get, huh?
No, not 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well, we definitely don't need to water them today, do we?
Ew.
'Cause that would
Not
be
even Mimi's plant.
that would be too much water. There they go.
I scared them.
He's a squirrel.
Oop.
There he goes.
What do, squirrels
Let's see how close I can get. Oh, there he goes. No, never mind. I guess not.
I can just close it up.
Here he goes.
Whoa.
All the way to the moon. Wow. Crappy rainy day. You gotta go around the, yeah, there you go.
I usually brakes to stop them here.
Good job.
I was in the middle of the road, so I went to the side.
Okay.
Hi. What you doing?
Watching you swinging.
I'm watching you.
I see your feet. Feet.
Not really much today. It's raining pretty bad. So, comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out.